Unlock a powerful, underutilized method for finding wholesale real estate deals today, and it all starts with your phone. This is Batchleads, and we're diving into their incredible text messaging feature to pinpoint motivated sellers and land those below-market value properties for a swift flip first. Let's access the heart of this operation, Batchleads' SMS marketing suite. The key to finding good deals is to target the right people. You can either select from Batchleads' curated lists of potential sellers, or, for even more precision, upload your own custom list of properties you've identified through other means. Think vacant properties, pre-foreclosures, or even out-of-state owners. Now, for the message itself, this isn't just any text. It's your first point of contact with a potential seller. Batchleads offers customizable templates, but the magic lies in personalization. Keep it short, direct, and focus on solving their potential problems. Something like, "Hi, owner name. I'm looking to buy a property cash in your area at property address. Are you considering selling?" is a great starting point. Watch how quickly a genuine opportunity can surface once you send your message. Patience is key, but be ready for a response like this one. A simple, "Yes, I'm interested," or "Tell me more," is your green light. From here, Batchleads becomes your central hub for managing these conversations. You can add notes, schedule follow-ups, and organize potential deals right within the platform. It's about nurturing these early connections, finding out their motivation, and understanding their timeline for selling. Once you've connected with a motivated seller and discussed their property, the next step is to verify its value. Use Batchleads' built-in property data to quickly assess the after-repair value, or ARV, and estimate potential equity. This helps you determine if the property is truly a wholesale opportunity. The goal for a wholesale deal is to secure a property significantly below market value, ideally around 70% of its ARV, to allow for your assignment fee. And the end buyer's profit. Consistent communication and leveraging Batchleads' features will help you uncover these gems. By mastering Batchleads' text messaging, you're not just sending messages. You're initiating profitable wholesale real estate transactions. For more detailed strategies and to start finding your next deal, subscribe to our channel and explore Batchleads today.